have a huge passion for food, and by food that also includes coffee, because for some reason in my mind coffee and tea should be its own food group. Hey there, y'all. My name is Erica, and I am the founder of Beyond a Foodie. I'm way more than that, but I wanted to come here and introduce myself, tell you a little bit about who I am, why I'm here, and what I have to share. So before I get into that, I want you to do me a favor and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see a little bit more, and let me know where you're from. I would love to hear from you. So let's get into it really quickly. So I'm a child of God first, and a wife, a mom, a chef, an entrepreneur, and a whole lot more. We're all multifaceted in some sort of way, and that's just a little bit about who I am. I have a huge passion for food, and by food that also includes coffee, because for some reason in my mind coffee and tea should be its own food group. I'm just playing, but I love food, I love coffee, I love travel, I love to paint and draw and sing, even if I'm not good at it. Those are just some of the things that I love. I also love gardening, and I love family. So if I feed you, that automatically makes you family. I'm here in order to share my love for food, obviously, and my passion for cooking. And I also have a joy for teaching. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make some of my recipes as a recipe developer and a person who's passionate about nutrition. I am passionate about global cuisines, different cuisines from different countries, and I am passionate about using those cuisines to create recipes that are not only delicious but good for you. So you're gonna see a lot of 80-20 on my page. There'll be a little bit of indulgent with a lot of bit of healthy. I have a passion for color, so you'll see a lot of colorful dishes and plates on my page. And lastly, I want to share with you what my definition of food is, because in my mind and in my heart, food is more than just what you eat, it's what you consume. So that can be mentally, so we'll touch on like some mental and emotional health things on this page. I'll be sharing a little bit about, probably a lot of it if I'm being honest, about my faith. And I will also be sharing with you some tips and tricks and recipes. I call them formulations, based on some of the things that I've learned in skincare as well, because your skin is your largest organ and it eats up what you put on it as well. So those are my 3 definitions of what food is. You'll also see some aspects of my family and some gardening things as well. And really, I'm just here to help others that are on this journey of wholeness and healing through food. And I'm here to help others who are struggling in that area and want to have a little guidance along the way. So I've been in the cooking, the food culinary industry for about, God, it feels like 1,000 years, but it's really been more like 14, even though I've been cooking since I was 4 years old. And in my next video, I will get into a little bit of my journey and my healing in that aspect as well. But if there's something that you would like to see in particular, a recipe or something you would like to see, please let me know, and I will try my best to help you through that, to accommodate you and to share a recipe as well. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. I love you all, and like I said, family is who you feed, and I welcome you to my Beyond a Foodie family. Until next time.